Hi guys, welcome to another SMC tutorial video. Today, I'm showing you the exact way to find your deposit address on Peniremit and verify your tokens so your transfers land safely every single time. However, before we get started, if you find tutorial videos helpful, do support our channel by buying our educational token Wikicat, which is built on the BSC chain. The contract address will be in the description. Thank you. Let's dive in. Okay, so first open your Peniremit application. So tap Fund Wallet and you'll see a list of crypto it supports. You can't just deposit any random coin, okay? Guys, these are the exact tokens you are allowed to send. Currently, Peniremit officially supports Wikicat, USDT, USDC, and CNGN. But here's the catch. You must pay attention to the network. For example, Peniremit currently supports just BNB chain and the Biz network. If you try to send a ERC20, that's Ethereum network USDT, to a BNB address, it's gone forever. Always double check that the sending wallet matches the exact network on your Peniremit screen, okay? So guys, if for instance you are depositing USDT, make sure you explicitly select the BNB network both on your Peniremit and your sending wallet address, okay? Sending our ERC20 or TRC20 USDT to a BNB chain address is the fastest way to lose your funds forever. You could see network, Binance Smart Chain, and here's the wallet address. You just copy and then, paste this wallet address on your withdrawal wallet or exchange, okay guys? And do not forget, Peniremit currently just supports BNB chain and Base chain, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope the video was helpful. Feel free to drop your questions or comment in the comment section, and don't forget to smash the like and subscribe button for more educative content. Bye, see you in the next video.